どこでもアート Create your own colorful paper clay photo frame. Let's start by making the base of your photo frame. Take 2 long pieces of cardboard and stick double-sided tape to the ends. Peel the paper off the tape. Now, grab the short pieces and stick them across the long ones to make a square shape. Time to get creative. Let's decorate with paper clay. Tear off a small piece and roll it into a ball, or use your hands to make a long string of clay. Shape and decorate your clay, but first, let's add some color with pens. Remember, you can't draw lines on paper clay like you do with regular drawings. Try making lots of colorful dots on it. Then, squish it all together with your fingers. Keep mixing, and soon it will be fun. Let's try mixing some other colors too. Here's a cool trick. You can even mix 2 colors of clay together for a fun new look. If you stop mixing before it's all blended, you'll get a marble effect. I made 5 awesome colors. Put any leftover clay in a Ziploc bag to keep it soft for next time. It will stay soft and ready to use again later. Let's start decorating. I'm going to flatten my clay into a circle and add it to my frame. The more colors, the better. Next, I'm making a long string of clay to decorate. I can twist it into any shape I want. Once you've decided on your design, use glue to stick everything down. Just a little glue on your finger is all you need. For flat pieces, put a thin layer of glue in the center. For longer pieces, gently slide your finger over the shape. When you're done, wipe your fingers. And there you go. Your decoration is all set. Finally, attach a bag to hold your photos and drawings with cellophane tape. Be careful not to tape over the opening. Stick the tape on the sides and bottom, leaving the top open. Now the bag is ready to hold your favorite pictures. All that's left is to fill it with photos and drawings. It's such a cute decoration. Everyone, give it a try and make your own creative frame. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun art projects.